So it's been a hell of the morning now, and the good thing is they have got a DikDik right now, so they definitely ensure that they have a meal for this morning for the breakfast. Yeah, you see, you keep pointing down for the footprint, kudu footprint. Another one is here. So it's just very keen, and you just want to know exactly where the kudu were. Despite that, I still have one animal on his back. The only thing is focusing. If you can get the kudu, that will be enough meal, I believe, for the rest of the family, because kudu is actually such a big antelope compared to what he has right now on his back. So, and the area is covered with a lot of trees. All these type of vacation kirkis around these areas. To penetrate it through it is a big challenge. Like not even a little bit, it's quite a challenge, but you know what? These guys are used to it. And sometimes imagine that they walk around shirtless like that. And the thorns doesn't really bother them. Imagine that. I cannot do such a thing. You know?